Hey guys, I'm Adam. This is John. We're with Hypertech, showing off some of our new accessories for power sports vehicles. This time we're going to show you the ball joints that we have.
Yeah, we actually have two different types of ball joints for the RZRs. This one actually installs with the C-clip, just like the factory one does, but it's made out of 4340 chromoly, which is super tough.
Right.
Going to handle those, beating and banging a lot better than the factory one would. This one has a retaining clip here. You pull the pin out, and then you can adjust this bucket here to tighten it up if it gets worn. It also has a low profile grease fitting and
The nozzle. Yeah,
right,
absolutely.
We include the nozzle in the box. The other one that we have is actually what they call a captured ball joint. This is our Xtreme ball joint. And the way this one works, instead of using a C-clip to hold it in, this actually goes through, and then this basically screws on and captures your control arm in the middle.
So if you're prone to breaking stuff, that's the one for you.
Right. Yeah. Well, like on my machine, mine's a 15, and I actually replaced a lot of different ball joints in mine. So now where it slides in and presses in, it's actually kind of loose. So my control arms are kind of worn out. But inside, they're both about the same. So they're ultra durable, 4340 chromoly, and they have all the grease passages in there. So when you grease them up, will actually flow in and pass where it should go. So you got two different options. You can buy them as single, or you can buy them as a pair. You can double up two pairs and get all four ball joints up front, and you're good to go.